welcome back to Country Views. We have a special guest today, our daughter Ashley. She is normally behind the camera, but today she is making chicken Alfredo pizza and a barbecue pizza, and she is being the cook today, giving me a break from cooking. She is starting with these ingredients that she started cutting up.
We have sausage and we have ham.
All right. What else are you putting on the barbecue pizza, sis?
Obviously barbecue sauce.
All right. Are you doing pepperoni or anything?
We're gonna do a little bit of pepperoni.
Okay. What are you putting in your chicken Alfredo?
So we got some diced up chicken here with salt and pepper, paprika, and a pinch of red pepper flakes.
All right. Do you want to tell them how much paprika and all that so they know the recipe?
Well, if you're using out of the container, you want to do about 2 shakes of paprika and a pinch of salt and 2 pinches of pepper.
We kind of got some of the red pepper flakes mixed in, but that just makes it better, right? All right. So she is going to continue cooking this up, and then we will show you the next step. All right, guys, so we have another special guest. This is our son, Austin.
And Hannah.
And Hannah, our adopted daughter. She is hiding. Say hi, Austin.
Hi.
There she is. She's hiding behind Austin. They are going to be taste testing the chicken Alfredo bacon pizza that our daughter is making, Ashley. So stay tuned. Okay, so she has another step that she's doing. What is that step?
Okay, so you also want to add in your real bacon. You can get the bacon bits from the store.
The crumbles.
Right, so we're gonna just add that in.
Right into the cubed up chicken you're cooking, guys.
Stir it around.
This is her flavor. This is her recipe that she come up with. It's really good. Really, really good.
Okay, so you want to cook the chicken until there's no water left in it, and then brown the chicken just a little bit.
And the water is what the juices from, the natural juices from the chicken and olive oil, right?
Yep.
So she likes to get them a little golden brown with her bacon.
Okay, so we have 2 things of pizza crust mix that we're going to add to our bowl.
And is this for 1 pizza or 2 pizzas?
1 pizza, because we have a big family, but if you have a smaller family, you might just want to use 1.
All right, now is it going to be deep crust, deep dish, thin crust, what?
It's just going to be a normal pizza.
Normal hand-tossed pizza, okay?
Then you want to add 2 half cups of water.
Okay.
Okay, and then you want to just combine that together, mix it all together until it's formed into a ball. And then you want to just add a little bit of grease on the ball and let it sit for a minute.
All right, show them how you're gonna knead it. Go ahead and knead it. They wanna see it. Make sure all rings are off, guys. And make sure your hands are washed and dried really well.
I'm gonna start with using a spoon to get it all mixed up first, and then I'm gonna knead it.
Okay. There's some spray over there for your hands too if you need it.
All right, and we will come back once this is all mixed up. All right, so now it's time to knead, and make sure you take all your rings off because it will get stuck in the creases. Trust me, it's happened before. So I just like to spray my hands down with a little bit of canola oil and then just rub my hands together.
All right.
All right,
Time to get messy.
Round it. Make sure you wash your hands first, guys, okay? All right. And just start kneading it.
Make sure you knead it until you get all the dough in it, guys. I like to try to get her in the kitchen as much as I can because she's a really good cook. And she's got her mom's trades. What can I say? Yep. You know, just like her mom.
Yep. I'm a busy mom myself too.
Yes, she is. She has one of our grandbabies, and we just adore him. Earlier today, his papa, my husband, got his little remote control motorcycle going, and he learned how to go on it and push the button himself. It was so cute. Alright, so it's starting to look pretty good there. See how there's hardly any dough on her hands?
You still get a little sneakies of dough in there, but
yeah. Now, did you do you want to tell them how you prepared the pans, the pizza pans?
Just spray a little bit of canola oil on them, even if your pans are non-stick.
We have this pan and this pan. One's older than the other, but they both work well.
Yep.
Spray them well.
All right, and we will come back once we prepare the other dough as well, because we're making 2 pizzas.
All right.
All right, so we pressed it out, and you want to poke some holes in the dough, and then you want to pop it in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes before you add your toppings on it.
All right, and what do you have the oven set on?
400.
400. So preheat your oven to 400. Let it bake for 5 to 7 minutes first.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then when that is ready to go, then she will show you what toppings she's gonna put on it.
All right, guys. Now we have our dough out of the oven, and we're going to add our Alfredo sauce on it. And sometimes it doesn't take a whole jar. It only takes a few scoops.
So you just gotta kind of eyeball it.
Yep.
It depends on how saucy you want it.
Yeah.
And while she's spreading this out, I want to say thank you for visiting the channel again, friends and family. Thank you, Country View Juniors, for being part of the channel as well. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so every time a new video is, uploaded, it will pop up and let you know that a new one is uploaded. And then we also have TikTok, where we post little short videos of cooking and little videos of, different family members and different things. All right, so what do you do next?
All right, so what you want to do next is all right, guys, now that you have that done, you want to add your chicken. I have quite a bit here because we like it chickeny.
How many chicken breasts was that you cubed up?
We used 2, and we usually at my house we usually only use 1 chicken breast, but we have quite a bit of family here today, so that's why we use 2.
It's gonna be a pizza, breadstick, chicken fest. We're making hot wings and pizza and different stuff. We're gonna also make breadsticks with the leftover pizza dough. All right, so she's spreading the chicken on there, the chicken and bacon mixture.
I think that's enough chicken.
Oh, might as well just throw it all on there, sis. Make it meaty.
Meaty.
I mean, what else are we gonna do with it, right?
Right. And I know my husband will eat it.
So will my husband, your dad. Oh, there's a piece for the dogs or the cat. Cats. Our mommy cat had babies. She had 5, but 2 of them didn't make it, so she's down to 3. All right, what's the next step?
I'm just gonna push this around, get it nice and leveled out.
All right. Looking good.
All right, and you want to add some more bacon?
All
On
right.
it. It's quite a bit of bacon, but
All
we like
right, looks good to me. Yum. We like bacon around this house.
it. Mm-hmm. All right, and I know you usually put your cheese down first before your toppings, but I like to combine everything in with my cheese, so.
Okay. Well, go ahead and do your thing, sis.
Now, it's okay to make a mess here. I know there's gonna be cheese everywhere once I'm done.
That's all right. Our cats and dogs love cheese. It's already smelling good in here. she's a lot like me, guys. She likes to recreate recipes, and she likes to take, you know, she can take anything from the cabinet or the fridge and make anything out of it. I know her very first thing that she ever cooked for me, it was chopped up hot dogs and eggs, but she did some kind of twist to it, and it was good. All right, so she's got the cheese on.
All right. And
So what's
I'm
next?
just gonna do a pinch of pepper on top.
All right. Anything else? Is that it?
That's it for that pizza.
All right, so what's the next step?
You want to put it in the oven until it's nice and golden brown.
All right, so the cheese is gonna be nice and golden brown. You wanna watch the crust too, check it periodically. Pizza normally goes between 15 to 20 minutes. All right, guys, so she's got her pizza in the oven. Now I'm gonna show you how to make my barbecue pizza, because we're gonna have the barbecue meat lovers pizza and the chicken bacon Alfredo pizza with wings and breadsticks. So here we go. Here's the other crust we got out. So you want to use any sweet and spicy barbecue sauce of your choice, or if you want it smoky, we like it kind of spicy. This is Kurt's. It tastes really similar to Sweet Baby Ray's. So I want to give this brand a good thumbs up. Thank you guys for doing a great job. So what you want to do is just go around. Don't overfill it, because you can have a dipping sauce here. And you want to kind of just spread it around like this and kind of just eyeball it. If you want it more saucy, you can put more. But what my husband likes to do, he will like dip it in extra barbecue sauce. He loves this pizza. So over here, what I do is I start off with mozzarella cheese a little bit on top of the sauce. Okay, like so. You guys hear a lot of racket going on. We just moved in our new place a couple weeks ago, and the boys and my husband's outside working on stuff. All right, so you just want to do a little bit there. Now, your next step, okay, is when you're going to add your toppings. We have smoked ham here cubed up, pepperoni, sausage links cooked up, that's left over from this morning, and then bacon bits. Thank you for chopping up the stuff for me, sis. All right, so you just want to spread it all around, because this is going to be a meat lovers. Say hi, Hannah.
Hi. Watching the door.
That is our adopted daughter.
My sister-in-law.
Her sister-in-law, our daughter's sister-in-law. I guess I would be considered her mom-in-law. All right, so now we're gonna do the ham. And you know, if you don't like smoked ham and you'd rather use a different kind of ham, that's fine too. But since it's a meat lovers, we're gonna go ham on this.
Hi.
Mom's making jokes today. All right, so I think that's probably enough ham.
Yeah.
Now, you want to take your pepperoni and kind of just spread it around like this. And make sure you get plenty pepperoni, because, you know, when you got hungry guys in the house, you got to make it real meaty. All right? All right. And then we're going to go in the middle here. And make sure you guys do these extra steps, because it makes the pizza so delicious. So I think that's enough pepperoni. Now we're going to come over here and open up the bacon. Which my hands are a little greasy, but that's okay. And we're going to go ham on the bacon too. We love bacon. All right. All right, so about a half a bag of these real bacon bites. It's also the brand Kurtz. This tastes similar to other brands of real bacon. It is real bacon, so it will toast up nicely. Now last, we got Kobe Jack. Today is Coburn Farms, I believe it's called.
Really good cheese.
We bought it at Save-A-Lot. Save-A-Lot's got really good stuff there. So I want to give them a thumbs up too for making such finely shredded, good Kobe Jack cheese. If you don't like Kobe Jack, you can use any brand, any flavor you want, but we like Kobe Jack here. So, all right, so that's what it looks like. We're gonna pop this in the oven for about 15 to 20, 25 minutes maybe, depending on how the crust and the cheese looks. So when these are done and we get them taken out, we will show you what they look like and have a taste test. All right, guys, so we got the, what is it called again, sis?
Chicken bacon Alfredo pizza.
All right, we got one piece cut out, ready to be taste tested. Over here, we have the pizza I made, the barbecue meat lovers, and then this one is Ashley's pizza, our daughter. So I'm going to give her the camera, and me and our son is going to taste test the pizza. So I'm just gonna cut this piece in half so he can taste test here with me. I'm making him get in the video. All right, so grab you a piece here. All right, you got us?
Yep.
You ready? This is so good. All right, let's get a piece of the bacon pizza and taste test it. All right, so let's put this down. Let's get a piece of this here.
Oh, hi, honey.
All right, so we got a little piece here.
Oh, so yummy.
Ha ha ha, funny, Austin. All right, so we're just gonna do this. All right, so let's grab you a piece here. There's some meat on your piece. Eat over the plate, it's messy. It's hot, but it's also yummy. I don't know which one I like better. I like them both, sis. All right. So on that note, we are ready to grab. We are starving. You want to bite, sis, behind the camera? Oh. All right, guys. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe. We love all of our friends and family. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Say bye, sis.
Bye.
Bye. Mwah.